Okay, we're back in the road to the A380. And yes, if people are wondering why have you not done it since the very start, well, for starters, I've not played this game much. Where is it? Ah, here. I've only been playing it because I've got this, and this. I'm going to be getting this soon. So that's what I'll be doing. It'll help much faster. And I can reset if I need to. So, yeah. Also, I've not really been playing it much. And also, yeah. Not really much good with the software and stuff for it. So, yeah. Sorry about that. But one sec. Yeah, kind of, yeah. Long story. But, ooh. Can I get a coffee, please? Thank you. So, yeah. We do have... So the recording software has not been going very well. So, that's why. If you haven't already seen the road to A380 video, I did one yesterday. That was when that was the first flight in the 747. And yes, I've got a 747, but the thing is I don't get, why is there a door here? There's two doors there, but then there's a door here, that's for like stuff, that's for like passengers to get on. But why don't they have one at the very front, and like at the top, for boarding first class? That makes no sense. I don't get it. But maybe they can add it. Hopefully they can add it. But yeah, I'll be doing more of these videos as well, because I actually do like them. Now that I'm kind of OP. But yeah. We are going to be... No, it's my airline. You don't tell me what to do. So I just had to tell a little child off. Be the parent. Tell your child to get some manners. Now I'm going to get up to the top floors because we've got an emergency happening. So yeah. Yeah, I kind of got a cold, so just bear with me. I can't miss this for the Army, aka Rally Army. If you haven't already, join it below. It's not really to do with this game, but it's cool. And this is my go-to livery. It's not really much for livery, but it's got the tail fin at the top. So it's like greyish thin. It's meant to try and match up this. You see? Blue eye things, that's there. Dark blue for the eye thingy-mabobs. Black is for like the eyes. And the white is representing most of it as well. And the seats are representing Air Canada. Let me just go down to that. 1 second, sorry about this. We are flying without any passenger. There's a seat representative. Look, see, these seats represent Air Canada, aka because I've flown them once and I actually enjoyed it. Now where do I go back up? This is so confusing, honestly. The thing is, it doesn't really matter what order I put them in. But yeah, this is my very first landing on the 747. Very first landing on the 747, so rate it a good landing. Can someone give me a good landing score in the comments below? Be like, did he just float down? So yeah, obviously because, oh no, here we go. It's too big. It's too big so I can't really see much. Bit rough, okay. I think that was like a good landing. Comment down below what you think that landing was, and I'll pin the I'll pin the best score. So yeah, we're gonna skip ahead. Comment what you think. Comment what score you think I got, and I'll leave it below. So yeah, comment what you think I got. Okay, it's actually quite good for landing. Comment what you think I got. Not gonna lie, below. That landing actually was quite good. So yeah, I actually like that landing. But like you see, they could add like another one, like at the top, like they do for an A380. I'll go back and forth until it's sorted. Maybe it's this one. Oh no, I was wrong. Sorry. But yeah, if you did enjoy it, I mean not enjoy. If you did think of a good landing, but I'm only doing that so then you can't skip forward, like skip to a certain point in the video and say, "Oh, you got this. You got like this kind of landing." So you have to comment it down below and tell me what it was. And only I know, or I should have taken a screenshot. When I remember what it was, I remember what it was. Let me just put that in notes real quick. 1 second. Update plans. New tab. There. Put it in notes, so it's on notes. Clean crew's already active. We've got a fast speed. Wow, we've got a new set of cleaning crew. Wow. It's been a while. Oh my god, I bet you have missed loads. But yeah. Where am I missing? Bet you it's going to be like something stupid, like one that I've already been through. I'm intrigued, I want to find it. Where even is it? It's going to be upstairs. No, like, where even is it? Where? Like, someone tell me where it is. I'll come back when I find it. Okay, so yeah, apparently it was just cleaning through. But I'll come back when it's taking their sweet old time. But we earned 6k from that. Wow. Okay, don't forget to comment out what the landing is that I did. We've not got that landing anymore, so we cannot do that. This is the first class. Where are they coming from? Well, we are in Dubai. $240. 7 first class. That's 40. If I almost maxed out the pilot. have 1 million. Oh wow. Not gonna lie, I think I've spent over 1 million on it. Like on upgrades and stuff to earn me more money, so it's more like you get. Come on, where you going? Come on, where you going? Come on, where you going? Come on. Come on, we don't all there, come on. Sit your butts down. Good. Did I see someone on the phone? Okay, good. How you doing, boys? Survived another flight, yeah. You did. But yeah. Oh, we'll call you back when we've landed. Yeah, the next airport. Let's see how good of a landing it is. Oh, bit of a tail strike. I need to hire the 747 crew. That was not a good landing. So yeah, gonna skip taxi time. And we can now let them leave. I'm just gonna sit down, open that overhead bin. I'm just gonna wait for a second. Oh god, this is glitchy, so one sec. Bam, bam. There we go, there we go. Oh god, this is so complicated. Then, oh wow, I've reached that level. Oh, okay. So whilst we're waiting for the cleanup crew to call, okay, the level 22. We just cross on them. They're already level 22. So which one? Within the A380, the seats are so far back, doesn't really, like the, not seats, the overhead lockers, so far back, it doesn't really affect it that much. Which is a bit, like, yeah. So like there'll be one overhead locker, then the rest of them will just be like, gone. So it won't even affect it. That's how crazy the A380 is. We're already on 6K, so that's it for today's video. This is the series of the A380. Make sure you hit the like button down below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next wrote to A380 and comment down what landing I got before. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe as well. It is free. No payment needed. Also, if you already are subscribed, you're not subscribed, if you're not subscribed and you watched it this far, what are you doing not subscribing? For you to ever subscribe, you will never regret ever making this, ever regret, you'll never regret subscribing. And it is, also, you can always unsubscribe as well. So yeah, entirely up to you, but that's it for today. Peace.